Hi YouTube, it's Debbie at RVing, Live the Dream, and today we are going to show you how to change the latch on a door. And this is a latch that for the door.
So we need to buy the latch assembly. Just take all the pieces out, make sure you have all your pieces. Worst thing you can do is get the job done, half done and all apart, and you don't have all your pieces. So double check, make sure you have all your pieces. So we have all of our pieces. We're going to go ahead and take it off. So it broke right here, it's just pulled right off. So we're going to replace the whole thing.
Looks like it's pretty easy. Just unscrew everything.
Yep. The electric drill works really good.
Does it matter if it's plastic or metal?
No, metal probably lasts longer.
Because the one that we got is metal.
Yeah.
And I think this is plastic, right?
Yeah, it's plastic.
Yeah, it broke right there.
So
So just clean it off with the wipe?
yeah, clean it up as best we can.
What?
Clean it off as best we can.
Do you have to put glue on there or anything?
I'm going to put sealant on it for the holes, yes.
What does the sealant do?
They'll seal the holes so the water doesn't get inside the door or inside here. So that's why I bought the sealant. So just regular outdoor caulk will work fine. Just put it on the...
You put it in the holes?
Yeah.
What about the other two?
So we got...
Do you need to put it in all 4 holes?
Yeah, we'll need to.
How fast does that dry?
Overnight.
Oh, so you have time to work with it?
Yeah.
So you shouldn't use the latch right away? Once using
No,
those
I'm
screws?
reusing these screws because the door isn't very thick. And I don't want to punch a hole through the door. The RV wall is much thicker, and I'll probably use the other screws for that. But it's an exact fit, which works out good for us. I can reuse the same holes, I don't have to re-drill any new ones.
That's a good idea.
Which works real nice, right? Use a wipe and wipe the excess.
We love wipes. That's a good tip. Always have a container of wipes. You never know when you're going to use them.
Otherwise the caulk, if you let the caulk dry, it'll get all gummy again and look terrible. So if you clean it while it's wet, it's kind of messy, but if you clean it while it's wet, it comes off so much nicer than when it's dry.
So that one's done, nice and snug. Nice. So you just do the same thing to the other one?
Yeah, I'm just
Does
gonna
it go on a certain way? Does it go on a certain way?
Yes. It has to go with the top down. If you do it like this. If you do it like this, when the door opens, here, I'll show you. If you do it, put it upside down, you go put it in, it'll just fall right back out again.
Oh, so which way is it supposed to go?
If you do it from the top, go in, gravity will
okay.
pull that latch down so it doesn't pop out on you. But yeah, it definitely needs to be in a certain way. I just want to make sure that everything's the same here. Nothing's changed or altered for us. Yeah, gotta pull this out. Make sure that this lines up just perfect here, based on the length.
So you just want to size it, make sure it's okay?
Yeah, I don't want to risk drilling more holes in the side of the RV. Looks good.
So put more caulk in each hole.
Or if you get a little bit on the RV or whatever, it's fine.
You dropped the screw down there.
I'll get it. I have extra.
Oh, I thought you used the old screws.
These screws won't go through. The walls are thicker than this. So don't have to worry about that in this RV.
So the walls are thicker on here than on the door?
Yep.
Boy, it sure is convenient to have. It sure is convenient to have a husband that's handy. 30 years in the automotive field.
And wipe out your excess.
He's handy and he's clean. My pretty lights that got installed. Okay, let's see. What is that for? You gonna put that on? That little
Yeah, I
stuff.
can take that one off.
Look at that! Yay! And you have to let this dry for how long?
Don't have to let it dry. You just want it to rain heavy on it for a day.
Okay.
It's not glue, it's just sealant.
And then you're gonna put that rubber thing on?
Yeah. The new package came out with a new stopper or new bumper. It's a lot longer than our other one is, so it would prevent it from actually hitting our awning bracket. So we're going to go ahead and install a new one because our old one's kind of small. It's only about half that size, so it'll extend out the door a little bit more. So all it has is a single screw, so just got to take the screw out.
So you just unscrew it?
Yeah. And then, again, we need to put I already put a screw in here. I'm just going to screw it down a little bit. And then, as you can see, it's quite a bit longer.
Oh yeah, that's good.
So, well, again, we had to put the caulk on to prevent it from getting into the door, the water from in the door. So, you don't have to be stingy with it. Remember, you can always wipe out whatever's excess. Better to have a little bit too much than not enough. I just put it right back in the same hole, so I don't have to worry about that. Do it.
Then just wipe off the excess.
Off excess and we're done.
Can you open it? Can I see it?
So now it doesn't hit the bracket down there.
Yeah, it doesn't hit it at all. My new latch. Latch on, look at that. The stopper up there. All the way up there. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video and check out our other videos coming. Hope you enjoyed the tip. Take care. Bye-bye.